I'm Howard Moeggenborg, and I'm part of County Line Concepts. We're a Michigan-based company, and I invented a tool called the RidgeRunner 310. This tool is designed for safety number one, speed and accuracy. You simply put one mark on the edge of the metal, line my tool up with it, hit the 4 pins, and it punches a hole through 6 panels at a time. They're perfectly spaced next to the rib. You slide it up, slide the arm down, and the arm will give you your measurement to your next purlin. Just continue up the sheet. It's all done down on the ground, nice and safe. The tool body itself is made out of high-density polyethylene. The springs are industrial grade. All the tooling is machined and hardened and anodized for longevity. The whole pin system is replaceable, and also we can remove the drive pins and put in drill guides if somebody prefers to drill.
My name is Gordon Moeggenborg, and I'm the co-owner of County Line Concepts. I have a companion tool that goes with the RidgeRunner 310. It's called the RidgeMate. The RidgeMate is a tool made of the same material as the RidgeRunner 310. It's a tool to help install the ridge cap on metal roofing and make it easier to install the screws. Once the ridge cap is lined up, you slide the RidgeMate on top of the ridge cap over the rib of the steel. You hit the pin with the hammer, which drives the punch through the ridge cap and the steel that's underneath of it. And then you have a hole that's there that you can put the screw in, and it increases the productivity, gives a clean, smooth line on the ridge cap, and it keeps it nice and straight.
With the increase of using steel on buildings and structures like roofs, there really hasn't been any technologies that help the builder or the construction individuals in preparing this, and so that leads to additional injuries and things happening. So this product really eliminates that.
It's okay if you don't have a RidgeRunner 310. Your competition does.
The RidgeMate and the RidgeRunner are great companion tools, working together fantastically.